why a little roughing it makes you awesome. Ever heard somebody say life is not a picnic? Well, they're not wrong. Life throws curveballs, rainstorms, and maybe even the occasional swarm of ants at your best laid plans. But guess what? That's exactly the secret ingredient to make you a stronger, more amazing version of yourself. Think about it. Have you ever seen a superhero who had a super easy life? No. They always have to battle villains, overcome obstacles, and save the day. That's the struggle that makes them super. And it's the same with us regular folks. Muscle for your mind and heart. Imagine your mind and heart are like muscles. If you never use them, they get soft and a little, wobbly. But when you face a challenge, big or small, it's like giving those mental and emotional muscles a workout. Resilience power up. Every time you overcome something tough, you build resilience. It's like leveling up in a video game. You become better at bouncing back from setbacks, stronger when things get shaky, and way more confident in your ability to handle whatever life throws your way. Empathy super sense. Ever notice how people who have been through tough times are often the most understanding and kind? That's because facing your own struggles helped you understand what others might be going through. You develop a super sense called empathy, which makes you a fantastic friend, family member, and all-around awesome human. Growth spurt guaranteed. Think of challenges like fertilizer for your personal growth garden. They might not feel great at the time, but they force you to learn new things, discover hidden talents, and come up with creative solutions you never knew you had. It's like unlocking secret abilities. Appreciation-o-meter goes up. When you've weathered a storm, you really appreciate the sunshine, right? People who've faced negativity often have a much stronger sense of gratitude for the good things in life. They don't take the easy times for granted, and they know how to truly savor the joy and peace when it arrives. The sheltered life trap. Now imagine the opposite. What if you tried to live in a bubble, avoiding anything even slightly uncomfortable? It might sound cozy for a bit, but you'd miss out on so much. You'd be like a plant kept in the dark, pale, weak, and missing out on all the sunshine and fresh air. Avoiding challenges might seem easier in the short run, but it can actually make life less exciting and less fulfilling in the long run. You might miss out on discovering your own strengths, building deep connections with others, and truly appreciating the good times. Embrace the adventure and the bumps. So the next time life feels a little less like a picnic and more like a hike up a steep hill, remember this. It's those very challenges that are shaping you into a more resilient, empathetic, and amazing person. Embrace the adventure. Learn from the bumps in the road. And know that conquering negativity is what makes life truly rich and rewarding. Stay safe, stay secure, and enjoy the challenges. You've got this. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.